How to write off bad debt in QuickBooks. So first you will need to log into your QuickBooks account, and then right here we want to hover over transactions from the left hand side and then go to chart of accounts. Once taken to this page here, we will filter by name and we'll simply type out bad, and you will see this bad debts, expenses, bad debts, and you will see an option here to run this report. So if we click on run report here, then this will check for any bad debt that we may have, and once this has completed, we will click on save as, and it's going to be, I'm going to change the name because I've already done this, and I'm going to see it in my reports and custom reports here. So we can go to reports here, and once taken to the custom page, you will see your report for your bad debt, and you can use it to write it off, and you can use it for anything that you would like, honestly, and anything that would fit your needs. So that's how you do it. I hope this helps you out. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.